welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to show you how to install one of our Blackout kits on a dealership's car. They've dropped it off to us. We're going to put the Blackout, replace the badge and cover the rear handle. I get a lot of questions and I need to help you guys fit them. So I've already come along here with a heat gun and I've actually melted all the glue around here. Don't apply too much heat, but it will soften it. Then you'll be able to get something like a trim removal tool and you'll be able to come along, pop it under very gently and pry it off. I've already done this one previously, but that's the glue, double-sided tape that's under it, so that's all you're trying to peel off. Now, I've also used a caramel wheel. You go very slowly and it removes any of the glue left over and the residue. So that makes it really easy. If you don't have that, you can do it with a bit of wax and grease remover and just try and work it off. You should be able to get most of it at home. It just takes time. But what I'll show you is the rear handle. This is it here. Double-sided tape. So we're going to go and remove this. Now, it can be quite difficult. So to get the double-sided taping backing off, you need to pretty much get something under it, pull the red tape off, boom. Okay, so you can see the double-sided tape. We've removed all the backing. Now we're going to make sure we go ahead, really clean it. I'm using some wax and grease remover. Give it a good wipe with a clean rag. Wipe everywhere. Give it a good scrub. Make sure it's really clean. Then we're going to get this. And when you line it, just bring it up. Line the camera up. Give it a good press. Hold it on there for, 15-20 seconds. Just push it. Make sure it's strong. Now that's adhered to it. We're going to show you the same thing with the badge. So with the badge, we've got a lot of double-sided tape. You're going to peel the double-sided tape off, like so. Then you're going to come, once it's all done, get the lugs, line it up. That'll line up and just stick on like that, and make sure you apply pressure. Anyway, quick guide to help you put on the Blackout kits on your Canon at home. Very easy to do, quick, very durable as you apply it properly, and you take your time, line it up correctly, use some nice wax and grease remover, and you should be mint. Thanks for joining us today. Hope that helps you guys. Peace out.